Hi, we're Pam and Gilbert. We've been making videos as souvenirs of our cycling adventures since 2008. We believe that you can travel the world on bicycle without quitting your day job. We figured out ways to make this work for us, and every year we refine our system. We recently retired, but previously we had to squeeze cycling the world into weekends or 2 or 3 week vacations. We needed some strategies to make it possible. We started looking for routes with defined starting and ending points to give us a sense of achievement. For example, the length of the Erie Canal from Albany to Buffalo, or from Montreal to Toronto. Further from home, we could do Prague to Vienna, or Pittsburgh to Washington, D.C. But with our limitations, we didn't want to waste time going back along the same route to our starting point. Instead, we would cycle one way and return by public transit, using a bus or train, sometimes a boat. Another possibility was to fly in and out of different cities. Of course, to do this, we had to pack light. We had started long-distance cycling originally with tents, sleeping bags, and all the gear, and we still tell the story of the time we ended up carrying 3 camping stoves on a trip. But now, with these short trips, we had less time and a little more money, and could find modest hotels and B&Bs for comfortable nights and daily showers. If a kitchenette is available, or even a fridge and microwave, no need to get dressed up and wait for service in a restaurant. Lunch is always a picnic anyway. The solution that worked with all of this was folding bikes. We tried several models and found that the Brompton, with its easy fold, was sturdy enough and the simplest to travel with. We hope our touring videos give you some impressions of what fun it is to travel by bike.